Hey guys, this is Rocky, Living Simply Rich. You know, times are probably going to get tight. There's a company out there that the supply chain will not be broken. The products are non toxic. You want to keep your house clean of chemicals or free of chemicals since everybody is concerned about breathing and any lung damage. You want to keep your house as free from chemicals as possible. Also, times are going to get tight, so I know rummage sale time is coming up, and you go to those rummage sales, and the rummage sales, you buy the kitchen stuff, and it always has somebody's name written on it with permanent marker. Well, I have a super cool trick. Okay, say we see this and you want to buy it, but it has Miss Betty Anderson or something on there. See, Miss Betty, I just wrote that on there. We'll let it dry. Now this stuff is liquid gold. Liquid gold. You can use this, dilute it in water in a spray bottle. You can take out smoke smell, pet smell, fish smell, all that kind of stuff. You can get paint off of items with this. You can get permanent marker off. Save yourself. This is probably $4, but if you can get it at a rummage sale for 25 cents, kudos to you. But you don't want Miss Betty on there. You don't want Miss Betty. You want your own name if you're going to do that kind of stuff. But this is the liquid gold. You just take some of this. It's concentrated. It smells great. And it freshens up your room. And also takes out mold. But look at this. Yep. Now that is mine and not Miss Betty's. If you want any more information, see, look at, not Miss Betty's. Any more information on this liquid gold, just click the link below and it will bring you to the site, which will tell you about this company that does have products for years to come, and not the shortage, not the broken chains on delivery, and it has over 500 products. I would get this. It's healthier, more cost effective, it's concentrated. Click the link below to get more information.